Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited because finally my iPhone 14 Pro Max 256GB has arrived after a wait period of about 3 days. Okay, I told you guys earlier, it is my Karwa Chauth gift. My mehendi is still here and I got it well in time. So I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you. I hope. Oh yeah, it's my favorite color. Oh, purple. Okay. This is the charging cable, and this is the SIM removal SIM slot pin, and yeah, very important sticker. Okay.
Keep little down, Anna. Yes, like that.
Should I open it? Yeah, open it. Oh wow. And let me show it to the audience. It's purple and very slim, heavy. Switch it on, it will get... So friends, giving you a very close feel of what iPhone 14 Pro Max looks like. It's matching with my eyeliner today, and very shiny and sleek built. Look at the cameras, and this color is awesome, very unique and first of its kind.